Hey everyone, welcome to CodingPlaza. Today onwards we are going to start series on DML operations in Oracle SQL. So let's start our first one called, we know that, right? Insert, update, delete. These are on the DML operations. So we'll start first one, insert, right? So here one table is there for me called Play Store. Yes, we are downloading some other apps from the Play Store, right? Here's a real-time example. So that here app name, app category, app version, some basic details I have taken. So now I'm going to create the table. Okay, so table has been created. See, then after we are going to insert the data. So the syntax is insert into table name into table name. Here what we have to give, column names, values, so this is what the syntax is. Okay, so this is syntax. Now I'm going to insert the data by using this syntax. Okay, insert into table name means what? Our table Play Store, right? Play Store. The column names are app name, summer, app category, cover app, right? So app name here cover, sorry, category question, values. First one is varchar2, right? So string value we have to insert. App name is what? Zoom, WhatsApp, comma, app category, social, comma, app version is the number. So number value can be app version 1. Okay, so we insert the title. Yes, after inserted, then after what we have to do, we have to commit the data. Without committing, data will not be committed. It will be table lock or row lock will be handled, right? So we'll check the data in the table. So from table, that's it. So like this, you can able to change the data. You can able to create different data. WhatsApp, FB, social. The version FB is 1. Same like that I have adding commit. Yes, like this you can use basic insert statement. But today this is what I will. Thank you for watching the video. Bye. Have a nice day.